Hello everyone, welcome back to the RPG Maker VX Ace eventing tutorial. Um, okay, let's see here. What do I want to do now? Game progression. Okay, we got four things here. We got switches, variables, self-switches, and a control timer. Okay, so let's get started on a switch, and I'm gonna use a second event for this. Okay, so let's animal. Let's go with a cat. Okay, so for this main page, there's not gonna be anything on, so let's do custom movement. Okay, let's have the cat move down a few times, then spin 180 degrees, then move up 3 times, spin 180 degrees, down, and like I covered in the first part, this will loop, so okay. And new event page, and let's add a switch. You can name it whatever you want, but I'm gonna call this switch 01. Okay, and when the switch is on, let's go back to the cat, set the move route, and let's move it left and right. So let's move it right a couple of times, have it spin around, left a few times, spin it around, right. Okay, apply. Okay, so let's save it and take a look at the cat. As you can see, the cat is moving around. Okay, let's go here. Show text. Oops. Show short. Yeah. First, text first. Let's see here. What was it? Switch 1. Let's see here. Preview. No. Okay, that doesn't work. Okay. So. All right. And let's show choice, yes, no. When cancel, do no. And let's control the switch. And as you can see, you can select from either a single switch or a batch of switches. Operation, turn it on or turn it off. Since we're only going to be using the first switch, we'll just go with that and turn it on. Okay, actor 3, yep. Okay. Save it, run. Cat's still moving around vertically. Now, activate the switch. Yes. Now, as you can see, the cat is now moving left and right. And we can go back in here and create a new event page if the switch is on. If the switch is on, let's copy all of this and paste it in here. Let's see here. Just change this to disable the switch. If yes, then we'll turn it off. Cat's moving horizontally. Activate the switch. Yes. Uh-oh. Where'd she go? Forgot to do something. Yeah, you always have to have a graphic. Was it actor 3? Yeah. Actor 3. Stepping. Okay. Now it should work. Activate the switch. Yes, and she's still there. How about that? Disable the switch. Yes. Now the cat should be moving vertically again. And it is. Okay. Now, and it'll just do that. Okay, and let's create a new event. SelfSwitch. There are 4 SelfSwitches. Right, let's just get rid of that text. And let's turn SelfSwitch A on. If SelfSwitch A is on, show text. Okay. And that will come up, and since there's nothing else, it'll just do that. And let's not forget to add the graphic. Okay, so let's with that, let's turn that off. Okay, so that's SelfSwitches. Basically, it affects anything that's in the event that it's in. So, and only that event. Okay. Alright, let's get rid of all these pages. Okay. And let's control variables. I was working with variables in part 1.5, showing that you could make like a password or combination system using input number. Okay, so with control variables, you can select from a batch or single variable. You can have it a hold on a second. Okay, and I'm back. Right, you could either set it to a constant number. set it to another variable. Set it between a couple of random numbers. Set it to game data. Yeah, I'm not that good. Or a script. You can also add to the variable, subtract to the variable, multiply, divide, and modulus. That's, I think, if I remember correctly, modulus is what would be the remainder of two divided numbers. So, okay, let's set it to 3. We'll show text. Variable 1. Okay, right now it says 0. It's because it hasn't done any calculations yet, so. And control variables. We'll add 5 to that. We'll copy, paste there. Set, add, subtract 2. Multiply by 5. Okay. Control variables, divide. By 2. Oops. And modulus 2. And it'll be an integer number, so it won't be 7.5. It should be truncated to 7. So save. Okay. 3. And then it'll add 5, which will equal 8. Then divide by 2, 6, multiply by 5, 30, divide by 2, 15, modulus 2. Okay. Okay, so it didn't do what I thought it would do, so. Oh, that's because I didn't do that. Duh. Alright. 3, 8, 6, 30, 15, 1. Okay, so, yeah, okay. Modulus is the remainder of 2. Okay. 2 divided by 7, or 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 equals 15. So, yeah. That's exactly how it worked. Okay. Okay, we already covered SelfSwitch. Control timer. Let's start the timer. Set it for 10 seconds. And let's do a conditional branch. If timer 0 or less, and we know it's what it's gonna be, so let's play a sound effect. Buzzer, buzzer, buzzer. Here we go. Okay, let's go with that. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay. Well, it didn't do what I thought it would do, so... But, we were able to set up the timer. I guess we could just... Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna have to monkey around that later. Or, yeah. Mess with it later and, try to figure that out. So, okay, next, part, I will do the flow control segment. Do conditional branches, loops, break loops, event processing, or exit event processing. Call common event, label, not sure about the labels, but comment, that does nothing, so. And we'll go to the next part. So, thank you for watching, and see you for the next video. See you later.